Section 5.3, Slopes of Straight Lines. Slope is the measure of the slant of the line. M is the abbreviation for slope, and we use the words rise and run. M equals rise over run. And if we think about rise on the coordinate graph, rise would be our y coordinates, up and down. Run going across is our x coordinates. M, or slope, equals the change in the y coordinates divided by the change in the x coordinates. Our formula for slope is m equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 divided by x sub 2 minus x sub 1 when we're given the ordered pairs x1, y1, and x2, y2. They are not exponents, they are subscripts just to identify different x values and different y values. Sketch the lines. Is the slope positive or negative? Starting with the one on the left, the slope is positive. The second one, from left to right, it is going down, it is negative. The third one from left to right is negative. And the fourth one from left to right is positive. Find the slope of the line passing through the ordered pairs -3, 4, and 2, 5. We're going to start with our equation for slope. We're going to substitute our second y value and our first y value, our second x value, and our first x value. So slope equals 5 minus 4 divided by 2 minus -3. Simplifying, slope equals 1/5. Again, we're finding the slope of the line passing through the ordered pairs -4, 1, and 2, -5. Our formula, y sub 2 minus y sub 1 divided by x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Substituting in. And then simplifying. M equals -6 divided by 6. Simplify further, m equals -1. Find the slope of the line passing through the ordered pairs -5, 6 and -5, 1. Our formula, and substituting in, m equals 1 minus 6 divided by -5 minus -5. Careful with that denominator. M equals -5 divided by 0. The slope is undefined. We cannot divide by 0. Find the slope of the line passing through the ordered pairs -1, 3 and -2, 3. M equals 3 minus 3 divided by -2 minus -1. M equals 0 divided by -1. Slope equals 0. Find the slope of the line passing through the two pairs of points, -2, 1, -5, -1, and 1, 0, 4, 2. Then graph the lines. For our first set of ordered pairs, we substitute in -1 minus 1 divided by -5 minus -2. Our slope is m equals -2 divided by -3. Two negative signs there, our slope is 2/3. Looking at the second set of ordered pairs, m equals 2 minus 0 divided by 4 minus 1. Simplifying, m equals 2/3. We're going to go ahead and graph those lines just from the ordered pair, so -2, 1, and -5, -1. Use a straight edge and draw your line. And I'm going to graph 1, 0, and 4, 2. I'm going to go ahead and draw the line. What types of lines are they? What type of lines are they? They're parallel lines. What observation can you make about the slopes? 2/3 and 2/3. The slopes are the same. They are equal. Parallel lines have equal slopes. Find the slope of the line passing through the two pairs of points, -2, 4, -5, -2, and 3, -5, 1, -4. Then graph the lines. First set of ordered pairs, substituting in -2 minus 4 divided by -5 minus -2. And simplifying, our slope m equals -6 divided by -3. M equals 2. Looking at our second set of ordered pairs, substituting in m equals -4 minus -5 divided by 1 minus 3. M equals 1 divided by -2. And let's graph. So from our ordered pairs, -2, 4, and -5, -2. Graphing the line. And then our second line, 3, -5. And 1, -4. What types of lines are they? They are intersecting lines, and they are perpendicular. Looking at the slopes, one is positive and one is negative, and 2 and 1/2 are reciprocals. Perpendicular lines have slopes that are negative reciprocals. Slope-intercept form. We don't always want to have to use a table to graph lines. Slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. M is our slope, b is our y-intercept. And remember that every y-intercept has an x value equal to 0. We're going to graph y equals -3/4 x plus 1. Y equals mx plus b. Our equation is in slope-intercept form. Our m value is -3/4. That tells us our and our b value is 1. From our slope, we know our rise is -3. Our run is 4. Our b value equal to 1. Our y-intercept equals to 1. Gives us the ordered pair 0, 1. So graphing our line, we're going to start with that point first at 0, 1. And then from there, we will count our rise down 3 and run 4. Made a first point and a second point. Go ahead and draw your line. We're going to graph y equals 2x minus 3. Again, it's already in slope-intercept form. We know our m value is 2. Our b value is -3. Our rise is 2. Our run is not 0. Be careful, the run is 1. From our b value, our y-intercept, we know our ordered pair 0, -3. And we'll start with that. So plot 0, -3 first. Rise 2, run 1, and make the point. Go ahead and draw the line. Now we want to graph x minus 2y equals 4. It is not in slope-intercept form, so the first thing we're going to do is rewrite the equation in slope-intercept form. X minus 2y equals 4. Subtract x from both sides. We have -2y equals -x plus 4. Divide everything by -2. And our equation in slope-intercept form is y equals 1/2 x plus -2. Our slope is 1/2. Our b value is -2. So our rise is 1, our run is 2, and we know the ordered pair 0, -2. Graphing, start with that ordered pair 0, -2. Make sure you do the rise and the run before you make another point. Have to do both parts. And there's our line. We're going to graph -2x plus 3y equals 6. Equals -6. First, we're going to rewrite the equation in slope-intercept form. Add 2x to, should be add 2x to both sides. Oh. 3y equals 2x plus -6. Divide everything by 3. Again, that's a positive. Y equals 2/3 x plus -2. Y equals mx plus b. Our m value is positive 2/3. Our b value is -2. Our rise is positive 2. Our run is 3. And our y-intercept ordered pair is 0, -2. We're going to plot that point, 0, -2, rise 2, run 3. And there it is. That's section 5.3, slopes of straight lines.